Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to make Twitter account private. Now to begin the process, open the Twitter application on your mobile device. Tap open it. You are currently at the home page of Twitter. You tap on the profile icon on the top left, tap that. Once you're at this page, you need to tap on setting and support at the very bottom, tap that. And from there, you need to tap on setting and privacy. Once you're at the setting page of your Twitter, you need to tap on the privacy and safety. Tap on it. Here on this page, on the Twitter activity, you tap on audience and tagging. Tap upon that. On this page over here, you will be able to protect your tweets on the Twitter. So basically, if I move the toggle to the right side, you will be able to make your Twitter account private and only the current followers and the people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So this is how you can make your Twitter account private. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.